Hey loves, what is up? I'm back again with another video, but this time this one's going to be super fun. I want to thank LAGIRL for sponsoring this tutorial, but as always, everything's going to be my own opinion. So this tutorial is going to be on the Desert Dream eyeshadow palettes. These palettes are, girl, I'm just letting you know right now, they're bomb. So click out right now and go order them because they are gorgeous, you guys. This is the main stage palette and it looks so gorgeous, so pretty. This right here is what it looks like. Very pretty. So this one is a V.I.P. and you guys already know I love pinks and stuff, so you guys know this palette is going to be one of my favorites. This palette's really, really pretty. I really am obsessed with this one. So yeah, you guys, these are available at Ulta online and in stores. You guys, they retail for $15.99, which is very inexpensive. You get 16 eyeshadows, high pigmented. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm super excited because all of these goodies look so gorgeous. All right, love. So as you guys saw in the intro, you guys already know what I'm gonna be talking about. So yeah, so I created this beautiful look right here. It's just a green. It's like a neon shimmer green with blue. I am in love. This is the main stage palette. It's a Desert Dream collection, and I'm just so freaking hyped for this. Look at this beautiful, beautiful packaging. So gorgeous. I love how they have the colors on the back and the names. Super cute. So the life shelf for the palette is 24 months. So there's 16 eyeshadows. There's a bunch of shimmers and mattes, and they're super pigmented, you guys. As you guys saw the swatches in the beginning, girl, yes. I love the packaging, how sleek it is and how like high quality it is. I love how it's a glossy finish right here. If you get like makeup on it, you could just easily wipe it and clean it. Super cute. So it does also have the names on here, which is cool. And then it does have a large mirror, like as big as the palette. These are the gorgeous shades. So pretty. Look at this. So this is V.I.P. There she is. Very cute. I love like the cloudy, smoky effect on this. It's super cute. It looks like tie-dye. It's so pretty. So this one also has a huge mirror. This is the inside of the palette. Very cute. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to do more looks with this. They also sent over the LA Girl eyeliner. This is the auto liner. So this is a retractable one right here. I'm going to show you guys some swatches. Here's a swatch of that. Very creamy and super, super pigmented. So I actually tightlined my waterline with this. It's perfect. It's super, super dark. I love this stuff, you guys. If you guys haven't tried it, go pick it up. So this is their pastel liners, and I know you guys heard me talking about these. I'm always using these in all my looks because they're just perfect. And today I'm probably going to use the green one. I'm not sure though. I'll show you guys in the end. So they also sent over their eye toppers, and this is a Dream Glitter Iridescent Liquid Eyeshadow. And in these two colors right here, this one right here. This one's called Rose Gold. So this is Iridescent Dream. Very pretty. I'm going to do some swatches for you guys because these are amazing. These are so perfect to take your look to the next level because look at them. So pretty. So this one is Iridescent Dream, and you see that this is like holographic. Yeah, this one's very pretty. I think this one's my favorite. Look at how pretty. They sent over their Dream Glitter Iridescent Lip Gloss, and they sent 3 of them, which is pretty. Look at this one. This one's super cute. And then we have this one's the last one they sent. This gloss is just, it smells amazing too. And it's like that perfect stickiness. It's not like super thick and not like overly sticky, but it is the perfect sticky and it makes your lips look so juicy. So we are doing a festival look, so I did my hair, feeling super cute. So yeah, we're gonna get into the tutorial. So this is the shade that I'm gonna be taking. It's called Headliner. Look at how pigmented this is. I'm just gonna pop this color in, just packing this on. But do you guys see how pigmented this eyeshadow is? It's so amazing and gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So I'm just going to take it halfway, okay? And I'm going to do like a wing. I'm actually going to draw a line like that. It's going to look crazy, but you need to trust the process. I feel like this is going to be like a perfect festival look. You guys could take it anywhere, even in your house and party. You know, I know we can't go anywhere, but we could still, you know, do Zoom and stuff. So right here, I'm just blending this color out. And so for the next color, because I don't want it to be like really harsh, you know. Next color I'm gonna be taking is called Sky High, and then after that I'm gonna be taking Wristband. I'll be taking this color and this color. So this one first and this one after. Everything's blending out so nice. I'm just obsessed with this. LA Girl has some of the best eyeshadows, like hands down. Looking at, you see how it gives like that lighter effect. So pretty. I'm going to go a little bit in the inner corners right here. So I take it like up to my brow bone right here. Just a little bit. Okay, the look is coming together. I'm super, super happy. I'm going to go back in with the shade Headliner, the first shade we took. And I am going to reapply it just because it just kind of got away a little bit. But it's all, the process is just going back and forth, adding color, you know, diffusing it and stuff, so it can be seamless. But look how pretty. I'm obsessed. It does have a little bit of fallout, which I don't really mind. I never really mind about that because I do my eyeshadow first. So when using color, you want to do your eyeshadow first. So for the next shade I'm going to be taking is called Shuffle, and ooh, I love it. This lime green shade right here. Very pretty. And I am going to be applying it in the inner part of my eye. But you guys see this? I barely tapped it. I'm like, you know, going like that. And it's just so pigmented. Wow. It's so pretty. I want this all over my eyes. It is gorgeous. So I am going to take this all the way to this right here. At the end of this little tail right here. LA Girl got me feeling cute. Okay, so now that we have that, now we're going to concentrate on the outer part of my eye. We're going to create the like wing out, smoked out wing liner. So we already have headliner, and we're going to do like the same process, same eyeshadow colors that we use on here, Taking a little bit more of my headliner color, and I'm going to like diffuse that. I'm going to do the rest of my eyes off camera, and I'll be right back. So you guys already know that I was going to use this lip gloss. It is so gorgeous. I'm just going to apply it in the center of my lips. So I'm just going to take these same eyeshadows that I used. I'm going to pat this right here. Okay, so now that I have that in the outer corners right here. So Sky High. Okay. Okay, so now that we have that, I think I'm going to go in with, let me see some of these. So I'm going to go in with these. I'm going to pick a color. I don't know what color. I think I'm going to use the lime green one, or should I use the blue one? Which we'll see right now. We'll see. So this is the lime green one right here. Or this one. What do you guys think? I don't know. Okay, you see how it changed the look? It just like, it made the look even better. I love these liners, so bomb. So I'm going to use the topper. This is the Dream Glitter Iridescent Liquid Shadow, and I'm going to use this one right here. So yeah, just to give these eyes a pop, you know? This looks so pretty. It opened up the eyes more. All right, loves, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys love it. I am obsessed. Shadows were everything. Super high quality, very pigmented. Obsessed, you guys. I am just in love. Pick some of these products up because these are so bomb. So there should be some swatches in the beginning. Let me know what palette was your favorite. I love pink. Pinks are my go-to, girl. I wanted to play outside of the box and kind of get out of my comfort zone because I would have probably gravitated to this palette better. But because I'm like, no, like get out of your comfort zone because it's gonna be cute. So I think it came out cute. I hope you guys like it as well. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you guys are going to pick up these palettes. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to leave you guys off right here. I love you guys so much. Make sure before you guys click out to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to LA Girl's channel as well. Make sure that you give them a follow on Instagram. I'll have everything down below. That way you guys can check it out along with the pricing and the link to the products, okay? I love you guys and I'll see you guys again in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.